Hello, today I'll guide you through collecting different types of swab samples, including throat, vaginal, anal and lesion samples. Let's break down each in simple steps. For a throat swab, start by washing your hands. Twist and remove the cap with the swab attached from the tube. Open your mouth wide and rub the swab against the tonsils, uvula and back of the throat, avoiding contact with teeth. Then place the swab back into the tube and close it securely. For a lesion swab, such as herpes on the lip, wash your hands and remove the swab from the tube. Gently rub and rotate the swab over the lesion, ensuring to cover the affected area thoroughly. Then place the swab back into the tube and secure the cap. For a vaginal swab, wash your hands and remove the swab. Spread the skin outside the vagina with one hand, while holding the swab by its cap with the other. Insert the swab gently about 2 inches into the vagina. Rotate it for about 10 to 15 seconds against the vaginal walls and then remove it carefully. Place it back in the tube and close it tightly. For an anal swab, wash your hands and remove the cap with the swab attached. Insert the swab about 1 inch into the anus. Rotate it gently, then remove and secure it back in the tube. After collecting your samples, make sure to return each swab to its protective tube and place the tube back inside the kit box, ready to return to our laboratory. Follow the instructions for returning your samples to the lab. And that's it. Follow these steps for accurate sample collection. If you have any questions, please contact Better2Know.